Hello everybody, this is just going to be a quick video, and in this I'm going to talk to you about what the host file is and what it does and how we can modify that for testing purposes. So the host file is used as one of the first stages of looking up a domain name. So say for example you have Google. Your computer will check the host file to see if there's an entry for Google. And if there isn't, then it'll go to your domain name server and see which IP address it relates to. And what that means is that's basically saying that name belongs to that computer at the other end of the world, and that's where it looks for the information. So it'll route your traffic there. But if we add an entry to the host file, it will then, instead of looking in America or wherever Google servers are routing the information is at that time, it'll go to the address you've told it to. So one reason why that might be quite useful is you might see it, well, you're going to see it in the next tutorial, but the reason that might be quite useful is, say for example you own a website, you want to do updates to it, but you don't want them to be live, but you need to have some on that specific domain name. You need to have things set like cookies and all that, but you don't want to go having to try it under something like beta.soandso.com or .net or whatever. So you decide, right, I'm going to try it on my local server, I'm going to do the changes I need to, but I'm going to do it under the actual domain name. So the way you do that is you might want to edit it in the host file so that when you go onto it on your local machine, the computer physically thinks it's going to the right server. So obviously this can be used in malicious purposes. You might try and route all traffic from Google to maybe your server, and you might have this done through some kind of virus, and you'd use it to sort of steal people's information. Yes, there is that aspect of it, but we're going to be doing it purely for educational point of view, and so that if you do need to do something like this in the future, then you can do and you can learn from it. And as I said, in one of the next tutorials I will be showing you how you can do that, just because I don't really feel the need that it's important to try with a real domain name. I might as well just try with some fake ones for you. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be editing the host file to make Google go to another website. So to do this, you need something like Notepad or Notepad++ or some kind of text editor. Once you've decided which one you're going to use, you need to right click it and click Run as Administrator. You should see a window pop up asking you for the user account control. Once you've done that, you need to go to File and Open. You then need to go to the computer, go to Local Disk, then go to Windows, and then there should be System32. Go to Drivers, etc, and then you'll see there's this little box here. You need to change that to All Files, and then you can open up the host file. As you can see, I've added this little entry here, and it's commented out at present. So if we just open up Chrome and go to Google, let's go to google.com. Well, it's forwarding me here anyway, but as you can see, google.com goes to Google, which is what you'd expect. So if we change this, and this IP address here is for one of our servers, and we have added an alias for that particular server, so that when something goes to google.com it'll know what to show it. So if we uncomment that, save this, close the internet down again, and if we open it up again and we go to google.com, ta-da! So as you can see, it's not Google anymore. We've done what we need to do. So obviously you can use this for your own testing purposes. You can do whatever you need to do with it, really. But I just thought I'd show you what it is, as it is quite useful. At present, you might not have any particular uses for it, but there may come a time where you need to do it, and at least you now know how you can do it. So I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful. If you've got anything you'd like to know, if you've got any questions, then feel free. Please feel free to comment below or message me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you've got any more suggestions, anything you'd like to find out about, then again, please comment below or let me know, and I'll make sure to do a video on it. If you didn't like this video, then please tell me why. I can hopefully make it a little bit more interesting for you in the future. So yeah, like and subscribe please, and I'll see you in the next video.